So this was an evaluation of an education intervention by Concern Worldwide in rural Sierra Leone, and that intervention was looking to improve children's literacy, their well-being and explore gender equality in their school lives. The research that UCD was commissioned as part of the evaluation was to track 3,000 children in 100 primary schools in rural Sierra Leone. The study also followed 16 children in depth over the 3 years of the studies. We spoke to their friends, we spoke to their teachers, to their head teachers, to their parents, grandparents and elders within their local village communities. And the intention there was to really be able to understand what were the factors that were influencing their literacy, well-being and experiences of gender equality. We found that yes, the intervention did have a positive impact on children's literacy, but very significantly we found it particularly affected the literacy achievement of girls and that this had a knock-on impact on girls' well-being. We also found that having older siblings within the family who themselves had gone to school was really important in supporting the literacy of children in the early years of their primary school. Education has been very disrupted, and so you don't have many parents of these children who actually have had experience or extended experience of formal education. So the impact of the research that UCD has done is actually having an influence on the work of Concern Worldwide in development and emergency education contexts. So they have refined the intervention based on the findings of the UCD research, and they're rolling it out now in other countries in the Global South. It has an impact also on heightening their awareness of the role of caregivers in supporting the literacy and well-being of children in the early years, and particularly the role of siblings there. They're also using the well-being measure that was developed by the UCD team across the range of contexts that they are working in.